Hello friends, today in this live stream we will be building a YouTube video thumbnail extractor in JavaScript. So let's get started. So let me just show you the dependency which we will be using. We will be using this dependency YouTube dash thumbnail. You will see that. So it get the thumbnail images for YouTube videos, and you can see this is a weekly downloads. So it has 2185 weekly downloads. You can see that. So this is a dependency which we will be using here to build this. So if you are watching it for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel also, and hit the notification bell icon. So you can just see that. So it is also available on command line. So basically you can use the command line to extract the image for any sort of YouTube video. You just need the YouTube video link. So simply copy it and paste it. So let me just wait for all the viewers to join in. So first of all, please hit the like button, and also if you are new to the channel, please hit the notification bell icon also. So now let's get started, guys. So first of all, I will close this window and I will go to my projects directory. So here I will open command line. So you can see we have open, let me make a new directory here. Um, the YT project. So we will go into this project. So let me open Visual Studio Code text editor. You can use any text editor of your choice. So two people are watching it. So if you are watching it for the very first time, please subscribe the channel. So you can also globally install this dependency, which is this dependency YouTube dash thumbnail. So the command is very simple. You just need to type npm I dash g for global, and then you will write YouTube dash thumbnail. So basically, as you write it, if you now press enter, so now it will install this dependency globally. So now it is installed here. So now basically we can use this dependency on the command line also. So as you can see here, let me now use this. So it has its command YouTube dash thumbnail. So if you just type it, so you need to provide some argument here. So as it is CLI version, you will see if you just type here dash dash help. So dash dash help, if you type, you will see all the options. So let me just see all the options. So now if I type it, dash dash help. So now you will see all the options coming here. So two people are watching the stream, guys. So if you have, so please hit the like button, subscribe the channel also. So now if I wanted to get the video of a certain video, so I will go to YouTube, and basically if I wanted to get this thumbnail, I will copy link address, simply I will paste it here, and dash dash open will open the image in the browser, and then you need to provide the resolution. We want the high resolution. If I enter this command, so you will see this thumbnail. So you will save this image on your computer. So you will see this is the thumbnail which is there of this YouTube video. So this is the how you do this. So three people are watching the stream. So first of all, like it. So we have successfully downloaded the thumbnail of the video on the command line. So you don't need to use any sort of third-party tool. So just write the command here, YouTube dash thumbnail, and then provide the YouTube video for which you need to download this. Let me now copy this, paste it. So this needs to be safe space here. So after that, again dash dash open, and then we also have the medium quality also. So dash dash medium. So this is a medium URL. So if you open this, you will see this is medium. So now this is, if you want high, so you will just say dash dash high. So this is a simple command, guys, where you can just get the high quality thumbnail and also low quality thumbnail. So if you're watching it for the, if you have any sort of question till now, you can ask it in the comment section. And now we need to build it inside our Node.js application. So we can open this, install this dependency, npm I, first of all initialize package.json file, npm init dash y. So now it has created the package.json file. This has information about the project name, version description, main, license, all that stuff. So now we can install this dependency YouTube dash thumbnail. So if you install this locally inside your project, now it will add this inside the dependencies folder. You will see YouTube thumbnail. So if you now make your index.html file and try to import this thumbnail module, we need to require this. So we will make use of the required statement, YouTube thumbnail. And after that, guys, what we need to do is that we need to, if you check the documentation, you will see simply we need to provide the URL. So just make thumbnail variable, and we will use this method YouTube thumbnail. And inside this, we need to provide the URL of the video. So if you just go to YouTube, simply grab the copy link address, paste it, and now after that, what you need to do is that you can console log it. Basically, this will return an object which will have all the thumbnails which is required. If you now run this application, node index.js, so now you can see it will have three default thumbnail, which is width 120, height 90. We have the medium thumbnail, which is width 300, 180, and we have the high thumbnail. So whichever thumbnail that you want, you can display it on the browser side. So we will display it in the browser. So for this, we will use some uh, Node.js and EJS. So welcome, guys, 4 people are watching. So first of all, like the stream, and if you have any sort of question, you can ask in the comment section. So now we will convert this into an Express application. So we will install Express, npm I Express, and EJS. So install these two dependencies, and so this will hardly take 5 to 10 seconds, and then it will install this. So now it has successfully installed it. If you check the package.json file, you will see EJS Express is installed here. And now we will make a simple Express application, Express, and we need to require our Express module. We will have our, we will start the Express application. We will define a port number which will be 3000, app.listen port, console log, app is listening on this port. You can just write it in the callback function. So app is listening on port 3000. And also, guys, we can set the view engine, which is, we have installed this dependency, which is EJS template engine. So when we open our home route, so we will have the get request here on the home route. So we need to, what we need to display our home page. So for this, we can say response.render and then the template file name, which is index. So now we need to create this. So just define a views folder here. Inside this, we will create index.ejs, And inside this we will have a simple title. We will give to it YouTube video thumbnail extractor. So here we will have a simple form. So for just styling it, we will use some bootstrap. So if you just write here bootstrap CDN, you can go to w3schools.com and you can include the CDN. So if you go to get started, you will see our there will be a CDN, which is this one. We only need the CSS part. So simply you need to copy this CDN, simply copy it, and just after the title, just paste it. And for also after that, what we need to do is that we will use the container class of bootstrap, and here we will have h1 heading, and we will give the text center class to it. To So this will be YouTube video thumbnail extractor online tool. So just after this, we will have our form. Action will go to get video thumbnail, and we will method will be post. And inside this, guys, we will have a simple input field where we will allow the user to input the YouTube video URL. We will give the label, which is URL. So basically here we will say YouTube video URL. So we will allow the user to input the URL. Inside you will have input type text. Name will be URL, and then what we want, this will be required field, and placeholder enter URL. So basically, if I now try to run this application, we will just say node-mon index.js. So this will automatically restart the application. You will see app is listening on port 3000. So if up till now, if you have any sort of question, guys, you can ask in the comment section, and please hit the like button to like the stream, and also subscribe the channel. And if I now open localhost 3000 in the browser, localhost 3000, you will see the form YouTube video thumbnail extractor online tool. So basically what we are doing here, so this styling is not applied to it. Let me add the bootstrap class to it. So if you now want to add the bootstrap class, so if I apply now input class form control, so if I refresh it, now you can see that it is changed here. So up till now, guys, if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. So four people are watching, guys. So thank you for joining in. So we are building a YouTube video thumbnail extractor. So if you are watching it for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and if you have any sort of doubt, please comment it here. We will also be discussing the Ezoic blog earnings as well in the later portion of the video. So first of all, we will make this tool here. So now we will have a simple button. So for submitting it, form group. So we will have the button block, button danger. So here we will simply say download thumbnail. So now if you see, if you refresh it, you will see the interface is ready. Now we simply need to put the URL, and so just autocomplete to off. So now we need to make this post request get video thumbnail inside this index.js file, app.post get video thumbnail. request response, and we will get the URL which the user has entered. For this, we need to include our body parser middleware. This is included inside Express, so we don't need to install it. So now to use it, it is very easy. App.use body parser URL encoded extended to false. App.use body parser dot JSON. That's it. So write these two lines, and at the end of this video, guys, if after the live stream is over, I will write a complete blog post and I will give all the source code to it. The link will be there inside video description. So if you want the full source code, you can refer the video description link when the live stream is over. So at tomorrow, you can refer to it. So the link will be there inside video description for all the source code. So now we will have the URL which the user has entered inside request.body.url. Now to download this, it is very easy. We will refer the package. Up till now, if you have any sort of problem, you can ask in the comment section. So if I try to import the module, this is a module here, you will see. If I paste it here, this line, so YouTube thumbnail, and after that, we will get the thumbnail which is there. So we will use this YouTube thumbnail and we will pass the URL. That's it. So now if I console log it, just to clarify if it is working or not. So if I refresh it, let me refresh it. And if I go to YouTube and if I try to copy link address of a particular video, paste it and download thumbnail, and now you will see this will return an object which will hold three properties: default, medium, and high. And what we can do is that we can have a select list where we can define the options. So what we can do, we can have our select list. Inside this select list, we can put a name parameter which is quality, and here we can define our options. So value will be here default. We will say default. The second option will be medium quality. So medium. So then we will have high quality. So by default, it will be selected. That's it. Now, if you refresh it inside the user interface, we will have a simple select list. So where user can select the, if I want it, sorry, I need to give it the form control class or bootstrap. So now if I refresh it, you will see we have the select box, and we can give it a label to it also, just to clarify to the user. Choose quality. You can see that now whatever quality we select, by default high will be selected. So we can get the value by simply defining quality here, and this will be equal to request.body.quality. And then what we can do is that, so here we can check in the if condition if quality is equal to double equal to. If it is equal to high, then what we want to do, and if it equal to medium, what we need to do, and in the else just we will return the default one. So for first of all, if the quality is high, what we need to do is that we need to first of all get the thumbnail, which is if you check the response which is coming back here, basically it's the object. So thumbnail dot high dot URL. So here we need to thumbnail dot here what we need to do is that up till now, if any sort of question, guys, you can ask in the comment section, and have just hit the like button also if you haven't, and also subscribe the channel. So here what we need to do is that we can just print out the thumbnail, which is thumbnail dot high dot URL. Let me see now, and Ehsan Ahmad is saying that good tutorial. Thank you very much, bro. So if you are new to the channel, then please consider subscribing it for more videos like this. And if you have any sort of question, you can ask in the comment section. So let me now refresh it and try to take a URL, copy link address, and try to paste it. The quality is high, so if I click download thumbnail, so you will see the thumbnail URL will be printed out. So simply what we need to download this from the URL. So basically, if you just see, uh, the thing is that Node.js download image from URL. So if you just type it, various blog posts will come. So my favorite website is Stack Overflow. So they will show you how to download a image from the URL. So simply I will use this. So for this we will just need to require two modules, which is very much part of the Node.js package, which is file system and request module. So just declare it. So you don't need to require, just install it. It is available. So this file system and request module. So here, first of all, what we need to do is that, so here it contains this download function. So we will just copy this and we will paste it here. Outside it, paste it. So basically it will take the URL and then it will create the file inside our local disk. And now to call this function, it is very easy. Simply we need to call this function download, and it will take the URL and it will download this image in the local PC. So you will see, instead of the static URL, we will pass the dynamic URL. So which will be thumbnail dot high dot URL. So whatever file name you can give here, I will give a dynamic file name. So for each and every time, this will be date.now thumbnail dot jpg. So once it is done, it will console log done. That's it. So now if I try to do it, just check. So three people are watching, guys. Please consider subscribing it, hitting the like button, and also asking any sort of, if you have any sort of doubt related to this application. And if I now relaunch the application here, you will see, if I try to copy the URL of the YouTube video, download, and what you will see, done. So now if you check here, it has successfully downloaded that thumbnail inside your local PC. So that's exactly what we wanted. Now basically we will download it as an attachment inside the browser itself. So for this, what we need to do is that once it is done, once the downloading part is done, we will download the image inside browser as a attachment. So for this, Express does provide us the method which is response or download. So here what we will just give the Um so here what we will do is that we will just make a path variable, and this will equal to date dot now, sorry, date dot now plus thumbnail dot jpg. So instead of this, we will replace the variable which is path. Just call it something else. Let me call it as thumbnail path, because path is a keyword which is there of the module. Thumbnail path. So we need to just download this at a attachment, this thumbnail path. Once it is completed, uh, we can remove this. So for removing it, it is very easy. I think if you just see, first of all, let me just download this. So response.download, it will take the thumbnail path. So now if I try to see, if I take any image of your choice, let me take this image and try to paste the URL, select the quality, click download thumbnail, and now you will see your thumbnail is downloaded. This is high quality thumbnail. Simply you will need the URL of the video. Simply you can take any video of your choice here on YouTube, simply copy link address, and after that paste it inside this tool. So there was just a delay guys inside this stream guys. So if you are connected here, there was just a slight delay. So can you hear my voice? Hello, inside it. Can you just reply? Can you hear the voice here? If the stream is audible or not? There was just a slight delay. Hello, can you tell slight delay was there? If the stream audio is visible or not? Hello, is the voice is audible or not? Can you guys, can you tell it inside the same voice? Is the voice is clear in the chat? Can you tell me? Okay, the voice is clear, I think. So people are joining in. So you can just take any example here, guys. So I was just saying you can repeat it for the medium. So instead of high, just replace a medium. And again, this will change to medium. That's it. And now for the default, it will change for default here. Simply paste it here, the same code. Just replace here default, and here also default. That's it. So now the application is complete. Simply take the URL, whatever URL that you want. Simply copy link address, paste it, choose your quality. Let's suppose medium. Click download thumbnail. So this is medium thumbnail. You will see medium thumbnail. You can also take the default, sorry, default one. Click download. This is a default thumbnail. So all the quality is available. By default, high will be selected. You will see here. Up till now, guys, if you have any sort of problem, you can ask it in the comment section. The application is complete in Node.js and Express. So this is the application. You can also build this application. It is very good. If you just see, it is so good application. It will download the thumbnail of the YouTube video by its URL. It will extract the thumbnail, and you can deploy this tool anywhere inside your website. Ezoic. You can place advertisement also. Google AdSense, and Ezoic also. So this was YouTube video thumbnail extractor online tool. So this is a code. Simply, guys, I will write it on my blog website also live, so that you can guys also see how I make my blog post. So let me log in inside my WordPress dashboard. This is, you can see coding section. You will see this website. Let me enter the username password. So after that, let me create a blog post, and after that I will give the link in the video description. I will click add new post. So after that, so people, if you're coming it for the very first time, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So here we will give the title Node Express YouTube video thumbnail downloader tool Extractor 2 in browser using JavaScript, full project for beginners. So we will say build. So here we will just put the commands here. So first of all, npm init -y, then we will have express EJS, and then this module which is YouTube dash thumbnail. So after that, guys, we will simply make our index.js file. So I will just copy paste the tool. This is a source code. I will just fully paste it, and now we will now make a views folder, and inside that make a index.ejs file, views index.ejs. So here we will copy paste the source code that we have written, and also we will take a slide screenshot. So 7 people, 5 people are watching. So inside our, we will take the screenshot of the application, and I will insert this screenshot in the blog post. So it is uploaded here, you will see. So now we will just publish the post here. So the post is now published here. So now the link will be there inside video description. Let me paste it inside video description of this live stream. So if I try to edit this, so in the description, so we will just say download the full source code. Node.js Express Ezoic. So this is the application, guys. We have built it inside this video. And if you have any sort of question, you can ask in the comment section related to this application. Now we can move on to the Ezoic blog here for the discussion. Ezoic blogging. So you can deploy this tool. You can also earn money by placing advertisements by AdSense and Ezoic. So this is the Ezoic dashboard. Let me show you. This is currently logging in. So three people are watching it. So if you have any kind of question, guys, you can ask it. This is AdSense. You can see here. So this is for the tool website that I deployed, freemediatools.com. So no more earnings is there. It's light. This month you will see $7.66. So the traffic on this website is not much. So that is why you are seeing this. This is a website, freemediatools.com. So here the traffic is not more. That is why you are seeing low earnings. Thumbnail. So if you have any sort of question, guys, you can ask it. Four people are watching the stream here. So any kind of question you can ask it. I will answer it. Try to answer it. Any sort of question. Three people are watching it. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. Let me show the Google Analytics, live analytics, which are there on my website. Current traffic. You will see this is the current traffic. You will see India, Australia, Greece, Netherlands, Romania, Singapore, South Korea. 2.4 thousand. Mostly traffic is organic traffic. You will see India, US, Pakistan. So these are the countries, these are the pages. So if you have question, guys, you can ask it in the comment section. I will try to reply it. You can see that this is a traffic here which is there. It is constantly increasing. I have written almost, if I show you the blog post, it is more than 6,000 blog posts. 6,003 blog posts are there on the website currently, and the three people are there. So first of all, in the like the stream, and also comment if you have any sort of question related to programming and blogging. So this is my Ezoic dashboard, guys. So you can see you have earned a new Ezoic certification. This is, you can see that. If you have any kind of question, guys, you can ask it. Four people are watching the stream here. So any sort of question related to programming and blogging, you can ask it in the video description. So this is my live Google Analytics. In the starting of the video, we have made a successful YouTube video thumbnailer extractor tool, and now we will discussing our Ezoic blog. You will see these are the earnings, day by day earnings. You will see that 3.2, 23, 34, 26. The EPMB is also great. You will see EPMB rates 4, 5, 6. You see that. Hello, any kind of question, guys? I'm expecting any sort of question from you. Let me also show the, if I show the YouTube analytics also. So if I show you the analytics, guys, you will see this is the YouTube analytics. Certainly the real-time views has gone up. If I live stream daily, you will see. So try to live stream. Live stream is a great option by which you can increase the YouTube views. Hassan Ahmad is asking, I want to many PDF page to many text page by Node.js. So what is the question? I don't understood your question. What you are asking? I want to many PDF page to many text page. So if you want to convert or what? I don't get this question. Can you just elaborate this question? I didn't get your question, what you are asking. Can you just tell me what you are asking? I will definitely try to answer it. I didn't get your question. So apart from that, guys, you will see how much traffic I got in the last 7 days: India, US, Pakistan, Brazil, Germany. So if I show you the pages report, these are the top pages which get traffic. And definitely you need to uh, just stick to these topics which get you traffic. Don't try to write new content. Just focus on the topic which are ranked on Google. And also I will want to show you my Google Search Console. So you will see this is Google Search Console. These are the top keywords. You will see it is getting lots of traffic. If I sort it from low to high, you will see these are all keywords which are ranking in number one position. Flutter, WhatsApp group, this is one such keyword. If I search this, my website comes in the top position. You will see that this article was written 11th of April 2021. So it is quite a new article. So thanks very much, guys, for watching this stream. I think you don't have any sort of question. So thanks very much for watching the stream.